Okay, so if you have budgies, you're probably going to want to know their gender. So the rule is for females, they will have light blue and white hints around the nostrils. Like so. That is a female. It's light blue and it has white hints around the nostrils. When the females are in breeding condition, their cere will change from that color to brown or tan, and it will peel back off to this color after they're done breeding, or if they're not in breeding condition anymore. And males will have, I don't know if you can see. Okay, you probably can see now. Males will have dark blue or pink when they're very young, but some male budgies cere will stay pink if they probably see a bird or something. Their cere will, I can't talk. Their cere will stay pink if they're a fallow, recessive pied, um, Lutinos and albinos. Lutino is the all white one. The albino is, the albino is the all white one, and the Lutino is the all yellow one. And their cere will stay pink. So if it stays pink, if you know that it's pink and dark blue, then you have a male. It doesn't have to change all the time, but somebody's cere will change from pink to dark blue. So that's how you tell. I'm gonna run you through some tests at first and show you their gender so you won't be confused on what am I talking about. So stay tuned. If you have a female budgie, the cere will be light blue with white hints around the nostrils. Males will not have light blue or white hints. When they're going into breeding condition, the female budgie cere will change from a light blue to a light tan color. After the cere has darkened to a dark brown, the female will soon come out of breeding condition and it will peel as in the picture and turn back into a light blue. Male ceres will change from a pink to a dark blue, and after it's dark blue, it will not change back to pink as the females would. And the ones that don't change are your Latinos, fellows, albinos, and recessive pies. Those ceres will stay pink for the rest of the male's life.